Okay, hi, my name is Suzanne Simpson and I work with the junior botanist here at Sage Garden Greenhouse. Today I'm going to show you how to make a worm hotel. So first you need to have a worm hotel container. We're using a core pot today. Next you need a medium, so something for the earthworms to live happily in. So today we're using some peat moss. So we put that in. I would fill it maybe halfway full. Something like that. Now worms to be happy, they need something to live in. Peat moss medium. They also need it to be moist. I'm not going to water it right now because the water will just come out of the pot, so we'll do that at the end. And then they also need things that will biodegrade, so things that will rot over time. So today I'm adding some potato peels. You'll notice these potatoes are purple, so cool. And some carrot peels. With time this is going to break down and turn into delicious worm food. I can tell you're just drooling already, right? Next we're going to add some leaves and a couple of sticks, just for fun. All this stuff will break down over time and provide the food for the worm. So now that we have the perfect worm hotel ready, we need to pick a worm. So today we have a night crawler. He's looking kind of sad. Let's give him a spritz. Maybe he'll be happier in his worm hotel. We'll plop him down there gently. And then worms are very light sensitive, so they don't like having their bodies be in the light, so we'll cover them up with some earth. And voila! You are the proud owner of a worm hotel.